Namaste.
Today I will start the same chapter, inverse trigonometric function. Today I will start solve. Tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equal to pi by 4. So applying the same formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, that is tan inverse 2x plus 3x by 1 minus 2x into 3x equal to pi by 4. That is equal to tan inverse 5 by x by 1 minus 6x square equal to pi by 4. Tan inverse x equal to, if tan inverse x equal to theta, so 5 by x by 1 minus 6x x square equal to tan theta, in place of theta equal to pi by 4, so tan pi by 4. If tan theta equal to x, then if tan theta equal to x, then theta equal to tan inverse x. So tan inverse 5 by 6 by 1 minus 6x x square equal to pi by 4. So 5x by 1 minus 6x square equal to tan theta, that means tan pi by 4. So 5x by 1 minus 6x square equal to 1. So after calculating we get 6x square plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 6x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Then 6x into x plus 1 minus 1 into x plus 1 equal to 0. That is x, the factors are x plus 1 into 6x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 and 1 by 6. But x minus 1 does not satisfy the equation. So the result will be only 1 by 6, not minus 1. There are two values of x, minus 1 and 1 by 6. We will get only 1 by 6. So the result is 1 by 6. This is the solve. Solve means we have to find out the value of x. So the value of x equal to 1 by 6. Next one is prove that cot inverse root over 1 plus sin x plus root over 1 minus sin x by root over 1 plus sin x minus root over 1 minus sin x equal to x by 2. So we will start from left hand side, that is equal to cot inverse. In place of 1 we write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, because we know that sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1, and sin 2 theta, the formula of sin 2 theta equal to 2 sin theta cos theta, but this is only sin, not sin 2x, only x. So this is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So I am taking in place of 1 sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, that is equal to 1, and in place of sin x 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and in this place also the same theorem. In place of 1 sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, and in this place also the same. In place of 1 sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 minus root over of sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2, in place of 1 minus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, that is equal to cot inverse. This is the formula of a square plus b square plus twice ab, that is equal to a plus b whole square. That is in place of 1 sin x cos x by 2 cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square, a plus b whole square. In this case also this is a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is a minus b whole square, that means cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square divided by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Now removing the root we get cot inverse cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, and in the denominator we get cos x plus 2 plus sin x by cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Then after simplifying or calculating we get cot inverse 2 cos x by 2 by 2 sin x by 2. and then we get cot inverse cos x by sin x. We know that it is cot x, so cot x by 2, it would be cot x by 2, cot inverse cot x by 2. We know that tan inverse x equal to only x, cot inverse x equal to only x, so cot inverse cot x by 2 would be x by 2. This is the simplification. So this is proved. The result is x by 2, that is equal to right hand side.